Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Braun MQ505 Portable Immersion Hand Blender. A powerful 350W stick blender that's been voted as America's Test Kitchen's top pick in the Immersion Blenders category. This versatile kitchen tool boasts a patented PowerBell system with ultra-hard stainless steel blades and a unique bell-shaped blending shaft that reduces suction and draws food inward for finer, smoother blending. Thanks to its SplashControl technology, the unique floral bell shape and the strategic position of the blades virtually eliminate splashing, making cleanup a breeze. Engineered with high-precision German technology, the motor is evenly balanced for power and long-lasting durability, ensuring smooth and comfortable operation. The EasyClick Accessory System allows you to effortlessly switch attachments to blend, chop, whisk, mash, crush, and puree with maximum efficiency. Featuring stainless steel blades, a soft grip, slip-proof ergonomic handle, and dual-speed settings, the Braun MQ505 makes it simple to whip up your favorite meals, from soups and smoothies to baby food and hummus. Whether you're an aspiring chef or a busy parent, this immersion blender is designed to make your culinary tasks easier and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.